Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to link bank account on Cash App. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to open your Cash App, and after that when you open your Cash App account, so simply just here you can see on the top right side profile icon, so just click here. And now after that here you can see the many options available. So now here you can see linked banks, so just simply click here. So now after that, if you want to add your bank account here, simply click on link debit card. So after that here you have to enter your credit card details like debit card number, expiry date, CCV and zip code, and after that you have to click on link card and the confirmation code will be sent on your bank account phone number. So when you enter the confirmation code, so in this way you can link bank account on Cash App.